The Klipsch BAR 48 has a really nice low profile that goes along with the wider aspect ratio of today's televisions.
It features a wraparound grill cloth and interchangeable end caps to add a designer's touch to today's home decor.
The exposed horn-loaded tweeters hint at the performance under the hood. The Klipsch BAR 48 features true entertainment. It's the legendary detailed sound you've come to expect from Klipsch.
It features a larger down-firing subwoofer with a larger enclosure, giving us deeper bass than most other competitors on the market.
The cabinet is constructed of wood, like a separate reference speaker, instead of a plastic tube like you'd find with most soundbars.
It gives a better foundation for movies and music.